Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're back with a new set of questions for our pleaser wipes that you had. Let's go. Is a condom necessary to use with pleaser? It is necessary to use a condom every single time that you have sex. Always remember to practice safe sex. Can a girl use pleaser? No. Pleaser is for guys, but the pleasure is for girls. How to clean up after using pleaser? Just use water. Is it sticky? No, just wait for it to dry up. Does it have a smell? Odorless. Can I reuse a delay wipe? Hell no. Use a different wipe for the next round. Can I use it with Viagra? Absolutely. No interference there. Is pleaser the same as Viagra? No. Pleaser is a topical wipe, whereas Viagra is a pill. That's it for the day, guys. Stay tuned and we'll come back to you with more. Bye bye.